Good morning, class. So, today's topic is density. It can be defined as the mass per unit volume of a material. Okay, that is mass upon volume. So, if you take equal volume of, say, cotton, suppose I'm taking equal volume of cotton and iron, then what will happen? You will find that iron will be heavier, okay, but cotton will be lighter. Why? Because the density of iron is more, mass per unit volume of cotton is less than mass per unit volume of iron. Okay, so because density of cotton is less than density of iron, therefore cotton will be lighter than iron. Then unit of density, from here you can see unit of mass. The SI unit of mass is kg. Okay, and SI unit of volume is meter cube. So the SI unit of density becomes kg per meter cube, and in CGS system, if you see, mass of unit of mass is gram and unit of volume is centimeter cube, so it becomes gram per centimeter cube. Now this is a relation which you can simply learn. Okay, then there is another term, relative density. So relative density is the ratio of density of, wherever the word relative is used, okay, you can simply understand that it is something compared. Okay, there is some comparison. So here what we are doing, we are comparing the density of any substance with the density of water. So what is the relative density? The definition is, it is the ratio of density of material to the density of water. Okay, so mathematically we can write it like this: relative density is equal to density of substance divided by density of water, or you can also write it as mass of any volume of substance upon mass of same volume of water. Okay, from here there's a small explanation over here. For example, here you can say mass of substance, okay, upon, say, some volume V. Okay, then mass of water upon, there is some volume V. When you divide these things, this V and V will be cancelled, but it will be cancelled only when these two volumes are equal. Okay, that means if I am taking 25 ml of, say, kerosene and 25 ml of water, then only these can be cancelled. Okay, therefore this word same is important to write. Okay, so even if you are not able to understand this thing, because this may be a little bit confusing for you, so you can simply understand that if we are taking same volume of two things, only then we can compare their masses, right? As I just explained you about cotton and iron thing, we took the same volume of cotton and same volume of iron. Okay, suppose I take a very large amount of cotton, then at some extent it can happen that the mass of the cotton I have taken and mass of the iron I have can be equal. If I take 1 kg of, say, iron and 1 kg of cotton, then their masses will be equal, right? So what am I talking about? I'm talking about the same volume, not the same mass. If I take same volume of cotton and same volume of iron, then the cotton will be lighter and iron will be heavier, right? So same volume is important over here. Mass of any volume of substance upon mass of same volume of water. So this one is the important definition. You should learn this, and this can help you afterwards. Okay, so if you are not able to learn this one is important for you. The relative density of water is 1. You have to just know this. And relative density has no units. From here you can see density of substance upon density of water. So whatever unit is here, this is the ratio, na? So you should know that ratios do not have any units. So relative density has no unit. Okay. And one more thing you should know here, that anything whose density is more than water will be heavier than water and will sink in water. Okay. So anything that is having more having its density greater than that of water will sink in water. Okay. And vice versa, if the density is less than water, then the body will be lighter and will float in water. Okay. Then another topic is mass and weight. So mass of a body is the amount of matter in the body. Then there is another thing, weight. So many times people use the same term, uh, either mass or weight, for the same thing, but both are different things. Weight is the force with which the earth is pulling us towards itself. Okay. So weight of a body is the force with which it is attracted by gravity. Gravity is the push or pull of earth. Okay. So the force with which the earth is pulling us towards itself, that is our weight. So weight of a body is the force. It is a force. Okay. Weight is a force, whereas mass is the amount of matter. So there is one relation between, now because weight is a force, therefore the unit of weight is Newton and unit of mass is kg. So weight is equal to mass multiplied by g. What is g? G is the acceleration due to gravity and its value is 9.8 meter per second square. Then obviously the mass of a body will remain constant forever because the matter it contains will always remain same, but weight may differ at different places. If at different places g is changing, then weight will differ. Okay, there, as we say that in moon g is having smaller value, so at moon our weight will be less. Now children, after this video I'll be sharing with you some pictures that will be containing these contents from your book and the exercises. Okay, fill in the blanks, multiple choice answers, and true or false. Okay, so I'll be sending the images of these notes with the answers, correct answers of the exercise from your book. The answers are also marked in your book, but please go with the answers which I will be sending to you. There may be some error, I don't know. Okay, because the book I had arranged from somewhere, so it might be having some things are marked over there with pencil and other things. So I have written the answers for you and I will send this image to you all. Okay, then I have written two numericals over here. Please take it as example, as homework. These are example questions from your book and we will discuss these questions in next turn. And please don't bother making any fair copy or something. You can simply study from the video or the images we are sending, and you can try these numericals somewhere in some rough copy. Or I already told you, if you have some old previous year's copy or something, you can simply take the plain pages from there and start doing the things there only. So just practice, try doing this numerical. See, the question says the mass of an object is 2.2 kg, find its weight. Okay, so you are given the mass, you have to find out the weight. We have just read the relation weight is equal to mass multiplied by g, where g is equal to 9.8. So you have to simply use this formula. Try doing this and we'll be discussing it later on. Then the next question is, a rectangular sheet of cork measures 25 centimeter into 20 centimeter and has thickness 1.5 centimeter. Okay, that means this is the length, breadth, and this is the thickness over here. So if it weighs 150 gram, find its density. So you are given the mass and length, breadth and height. You have to find the density. You know the formula for density is mass upon volume. So mass upon volume. Volume, how will you find? length into breadth into thickness or height. Okay, so you can easily do these questions, and we will further discuss these in the next lecture. Okay, thank you. Bye for now.